Hello Techies, welcome to my channel Techno Network. I hope you all are doing well. In my previous video, I explained you how to assign and remove IP address using PowerShell commandlet and alias name. Okay, in this video, we are going to learn how to turn off and turn on firewall, how to see the firewall rule, how to create and delete any firewall rule. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Let me show you first my control panel firewall. So there you can see there are two network, private network and public network. Okay, so let me open my PowerShell. Let me move it aside over here. Okay, so at the left hand side you can see control panel window where it's showing two network, private and public. At the right hand side you can see the PowerShell window. So let me show you the command first to disable the firewall. Okay, so first command to disable the firewall is set net firewall profile. Okay, and then you have to give one parameter which is profile. Okay, after that you have to give either private or public. So right now I'm giving private over here. Then you have to give one more parameter which is enabled. Okay, and then you have to give value enabled to false value to disable the firewall. Okay, I hit enter. So there you can see at the left hand side my private network has been disabled. Let me do the same for my public network as well. So I'll just type public over here and hit enter. So there you can see my public network has also been disabled. So this is how you can use this command to disable your private and public firewall. Okay, let me re-enable it. So to re-enable it, you just have to do one thing. You just have to type true over here. Okay, I hit enter. So you can see my public network has been enabled because we have typed public over here. Let me do the same for private network also. Okay, and let me hit enter. I hit enter and then you can see both my network has enabled now. So this is how you can use set net firewall profile commandlet to enable or disable firewall. Okay, now let me show you all firewall rules. Okay, so to see the firewall rules you have to type show net firewall rule and hit enter, and there you can see it is getting all the rules which is there in my machine. Okay, it will be very long. So okay, let me increase the PowerShell window. Okay, so we are going to see now how to create a firewall rule. Okay, so to create a firewall rule you have to type new net firewall rule. Okay, after that you have to give one parameter which is display name. For example, I'll give the display name test. Second parameter you have to give profile, and to give the profile either you have to type private or public, but to do that we just have to first enter @ sign. You have to start the bracket and you have to put inverted comma and end the bracket, and here you have to type the profile name. I'll give public. Okay, now you have to type another parameter which is direction. Okay, and then you can give the direction either inbound or outbound. Okay, so I'll give inbound over here. Now last two parameter you have to give which is action. Okay, in action you type allow. Okay, I hit enter. So there you can see this firewall rule has been created. Now let's go over here. Let me check if this firewall rule has been created or not. Okay, so we created this firewall rule in the inbound direction. Okay, and display name will be test. Okay, so let me see in inbound if the test is there or not. Okay, and there you can see the test rule has been created and the profile will be public as we have given over here. Okay, and the action is allow, which we have mentioned over here. Okay, so that's how you can create any firewall rule. Okay, let me delete this firewall rule which we created. Okay, so to delete it you just have to type the remove net firewall rule, display name test, okay, and hit enter. So that command ran successfully. Let me go here. Sorry, let me go here. Let me refresh it and then see the test is not there now. So that is how you can create any firewall rule, or you can delete any firewall rule. So I hope you have learned something from this video. If you've learned something, please do subscribe to my channel Techno Network. And if you have any questions or doubt, please do comment down below. Thank you.